So, I'm wondering if neutral people, people that have good posture, crack their joints as much as I do. Um, I know for a fact that with us being having kyphosis, where you're doing this, I always put the two balls right here and here, and it cracks my back. And also my pelvis, since I sit so much in a slouchy manner, I crack my lower back using on the bed or on the floor where it's crossed like this. And it's I'm wondering if neutral people, people with good posture, need to crack their backs as much because, like I said, the muscles control the joints, but the muscles control the joints that is in the middle of it, you know, contracted, elongated. But eventually the joints in the middle, it gets so bad, the spasms, and then the only way sometimes to relieve it is by cracking the joints. We're quirking the joints and it releases gases in the joints. It's called adjustment, a subluxation in chiropractic terms. But it's eventually it cracks it, and so this will relax, and the joints you won't be in that much spasm and that much pain, pathological pain or whatever. It's maybe it might come true because people that are very crooked and everything, you can see them always cracking and adjusting. They kind of trying to like figure out a way the body naturally find way. There's some people with weird tics because their body is trying to find a way to exercise itself.